Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit that was sent back under warranty, but it's working fine. Customer said that that everything works fine except it won't change tracks. So we're going to disprove that right now. I haven't. I tested it when it came in, opened up the cover, made sure everything looked good. The track change was flawless. So let's go ahead and go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure it changes tracks like it's supposed to. Okay, so as you can see, it's changing tracks just fine. There's nothing wrong at all with the track change. So that was all I wanted to do on this video. I'm sorry that it's not very entertaining. This is mainly just to prove to the customer that the track change is working fine. Probably not going to be a very exciting video to watch. To the one guy out there who dislikes my videos, I apologize that it's not to your liking. My name is Barry, and I'm with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me through the contacts in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions because that just keeps me on the bench, putting my top quality workmanship into your radio when it arrives. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you guys next time.